Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. About x to the power of 3, we can put into x and x squared. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I need to put about u equals to s squared. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of s squared, we have 2x dx. Because we don't have number 2, so we need to divide both sides by number 2. So this one we change by u. S dx we change by the u over number 2. Next, we can use about integration by parts. So I need to put about t equals to u over 2. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides. dv, that is about cosine u du. The integration of this one, we have v equals to sine u. So we have t multiplied by v minus we have dt multiplied by v. So the integration of negative with sine u in here, you got about positive cosine u. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.